we're here for checkup. We're expecting.
Oh, you guys are expecting? Oh,
Yes.
you're expecting.
Yes.
Oh, that's so wonderful. Okay, well, please, we'll fill this out first, and then I'll give you guys a sheet for the father. And then you'll sign your names and everything, and then we'll see you guys.
And can you make sure that he gets a follow-up report on everything that that's been going
of
on?
course.
For the
I would
last couple
totally
weeks?
give it to the father.
Okay.
Always gonna give it to the father.
Is there anything else? Because right now I'm kind of like super tired. Can I sit down?
Yeah, of course.
Create